We got a lot of parts from Mara's truck. We got a 6-liter Vortec here, 203 transfer case. We're just going to use the range box off of that. We have a 205 to put behind that, turbo 400, and a 14-volt corporate rear, and a Dane 60 kingpin front. Mara and Abby are off doing something else today, and Mara gave me permission to work on the sno-cat. I was going to do that anyway. Well, I think that'll do it. I think that's bled out now. Oh, I like the way that feels. Should we see if it disengages the clutch disc or if the disc is frozen to the flywheel? Look at that. I like it. Yeah. Are you ready to drive it? I know I am. Blake's missing out again. Blake's up on the Iron Range. They're playing up there again.
We're out at Gilbert OHV Park again this weekend for another event. And Chris was out with a group of folks on the trails, and apparently one of them caught on fire. So Kelly and I are in our way in with the dogs. We have Whiskey, Bourbon, and Gladys with us, and we are trying to find where these guys are at. Shorten the rope up so I'm closer to her. Chris, just hold on, let us shorten it up. Pull the other rope out as I pull up and shorten me to the first rope. Yep.
All right.
Okay, Chris, I'm going to back up and take the tension out of the rope first, and then we'll go forward. So just stay on your brakes. You're going to feel it come back a little bit.
Copy.
Okay, tension's out, foot off the brake.
I know.
Foot fully off the brake. Okay. Do you have enough steering that you can manually handle it as I lower you down?
I need both hands. I'm not going to be able to talk on the radio.
Kevin, jump in there with her. You're going to have to help her crank the wheel. Try to go as hard left as you can as I lower you down, because I need to get around you so I can get to the front of it. So, you ready? Here we go. All right, hang on.
So if I need the radio, I just want you to push the button, and I'll yell.
So right now, Toby is pulling us out of the park because what happened to the Jeep?
We're not sure, but she started leaking fuel on the way down that trail, and I was behind in the side-by-side.
You tell me to slow down.
Copy that. This is a good pace.
Right now, Crystal's Jeep is being hauled out by a yankum rope.
A little bit, don't run over the rope.
Copy, copy.
So Crystal's Jeep caught fire on the trail, engulfed in flames on the right passenger side, and we are towing it back to the RV park now to see what actually happened.
They took the Jeep back to the West 40 campground. They took a look at it. They couldn't tell how the fire started. All they could really see was a melted fuel line. Boy, that was a close call. Later on that evening, guess who stopped by the campground?
Hi, I'm Ty Teacher. I'm the Chief of Police for the Gilbert Police Department in Minnesota.
He was driving a police truck that had a winch on the front that still had steel cable on it. So, guess what Blake and Chris did?
So if you like to put this on your vehicle, it's a much safer rope, and then you don't have to worry about anything flying through your windshield.
Perfect. I certainly appreciate this, and on behalf of Gilbert Police Department, we do appreciate it, so thank you.
You're welcome. We appreciate all you do to keep us safe.
Well, thank you.
Troy from Titan is here. He's going to drive with us. How can I wait?
Look at her go. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. So much fun this winter. Cannot wait. Final little gears. What do you think?
Well, that was third gear.
That looks like so much fun.
This thing rides pretty rough.
It looks like it's bouncing all over the place. Oh.
Better in the snow.
Yeah, I bet. Oh, goodness, does it tear it up. That's turned pretty sharp. Way better than I thought it would. Whirring like a kitten. Looks really rough. They're just bouncing away. Yeah, she looks really rough. Really rough, Eric. Your arm's just over there just bouncing away.
It is rough.
You stuck in there? There we go.
Well,
Quite a step down.
it runs, it drives, it moves. I like it.
Absolutely awesome. The adventures that you will have.
Oh yeah. We've still got a ton of work to do to it.
Well,
So we're getting closer.
it rolls.
Yes.
It drove. That was the big ticket, right?
Yes. Moves under its own power. I like that.
Actually sounds pretty good when you got into third, I'm not gonna lie even.
I start out in third.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I thought you had to shift gears.
No, I mean, I can start out in third. I did a couple of times out here.
Right on.
It's really low geared.
So cool.
Yeah.
It is so cool.
It's running.
Runs and drives.
And you had fun driving it.
That's pretty neat. It's rough, but made for snow, not dirt.
When's the new badging coming?
Well, I don't know. We gotta peel some of this off. I haven't ordered badging for it yet, but I think, yeah, these are stickers.
Yeah.
These are stickers, so.
So they'll come off and BSF goes on.
Yeah.
You know, it's kind of cool. It's the, you know, the secondary color right from the get.
The orange, yeah.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna leave it orange.
This thing is so rad. So rad. Just awesome. I didn't notice the rear wiper blade.
Yeah. Rear window wiper blade.
We're gonna help out and some new lighting for the rear of that sucker, and the front looks like she could use some new lights too. I was taking a peek at that. Yeah, you're not gonna see much should it get dark out of those.
Right.
My goodness, how awesome. I can't wait to go for a ride.
Well, let's do it. I'm definitely gonna have to do something about these seats. They don't slide forward or back at all.
Oh, that's fun. I like that they put a bunch of handles everywhere because you need them, trying to figure out how you're going to get in.
Yep.
You're talking about the seats. This is about the second most uncomfortable thing I've ever been in. I like the fan. Does it work?
I don't know.
What would be the switch for it? I don't even want to touch something. Yep, nope. She did.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Look at that.
It works. Stop spitting the dust at me first. It works. Oh, that's so neat. Oh, it's even got high and low. This one's stuck. We're turning the fan back. So, this is awesome. Going into gear.
Well, that's third. You're talking about 4-inch cleats on dirt.
Where did you put the GoPro? You got them out there. I was gonna say they gotta see the inside, what the ride's like in here compared to what it looks like outside. Yeah. It is way worse in here than it looks out there.
That reverse is way low.
Literally going to say exactly that.
Yeah. Well, maybe that's second. I think that's second.
What is that?
Yeah, that's second. That should be fourth. Oh. That's fourth. Yeah, that's fourth.
She works good. Be nice and graded for the, snow and ice that's about to come. Oh man. This is gonna be so rad in the snow. Woofta. You didn't hit the brake, my God.
No, no brake. Don't need them.
Oh man. Definitely don't need the brakes.
Yeah. See, we're in neutral right now on the grade
it's
in
not
front of the
rolling.
shop. It's not rolling at all.
Yep, on a decent incline, we should be rolling backwards. Yep.
Yep.
That's so awesome.
This is neat.
Fresh air throttle. That is so cool. Oh, even the keychain, I didn't notice that.
God. Yeah, look at that. It's got a Tucker keychain.
Yep, that is cool.
All right. We're going to have to figure some front recovery points on this. I wonder. What do you think, Troy?
Yeah, I'm thinking it'll fit.
Let's give it a try.
Well, she just pop right in.
Oh, look at that. All we got to do is drill a couple holes there.
Yeah, super simple.
All right.
Problem solved. Super simple.
That
Yeah,
thing's froze.
not the old blaster. Got the light behind you. I'll move a little.
Yeah. That one's nice and free.
Hey, there she goes.
Oh, that's
Shed some light on the situation.
yeah. We'll have to loosen that up. Cotter pin.
Hey.
Oh, what size do we suppose that is? That almost looks like 1.5 inches. Oh, that's much better. Too tight. Too loose. Just right. Perfect. Look at this. I grabbed the torch because I thought there was no way this was going to come out. And all the squeaking is because this hole in the plate back here
Isn't the right size.
isn't big enough.
That's what I was saying.
Yeah.
So when it's stuck in the corner, it was actually digging a groove into the plate.
Yep.
In that corner.
Right.
See it? You can see it how there's a groove down and it was getting stuck there.
Well, it's a new day, and we're gonna get Mara set up here to start washing some of the parts. And I gave Blake a call, so Blake's here. He's filming right now.
Hey guys.
He finally gets to see the sno-cat run and drive.
It's really not that dirty. I mean, short of mud, it actually is pretty clean.
Well, we got some fuel for the Tucker, so we don't run out. We're gonna take it out back. We're gonna see what this thing could actually do. We're gonna climb around with it and just check it out. Hey, look at this, I just noticed. Anybody recognize that emblem on the radio? Yeah, that's right, AMC. We might have to tell Gene about that. Oh, look at that. Blake's got one of the Marla off-road scooters out. Still getting used to the way this thing turns.
Get in front of it.
All right, we're gonna see how this thing climbs.
You're gonna drop in there?
No, I'm second guessing that. Maybe we'll try it over there. Or over here. I'm not confident enough to do that yet. Well, that's really cool. Anybody else want to try?
We don't need a blender to make milkshakes in here. Holy cow.
so far so good. This thing is really cool. I can't wait to get it out in the snow and on a recovery.
Okay, best ride ever.
Yeah, that's their off-road scooter. Both wheels are driven on it, electric, and does fine out here in the pasture. Well, there you have it, a working sno-cat tow truck. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, the only one on the YouTube channels.
Nothing. Well, he's not wrong.
That was a lot of fun, but we better get back to helping Mara on her tow truck. Thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.
Ooh, Eric.